everyone, welcome back to Treasure Land. Today I am going to show you an activity. It is using a substance called Oobleck. Oobleck is a mixture of cornstarch and water. In this video, I will show you how to make Oobleck and how it behaves too. This is a science experiment that's perfect for entertaining both kids and adults. So let's get started. The materials we need are a bowl, a measuring cup, cornstarch, a bottle of water and food color. Food color is optional. If you don't have it, you can skip it. First I am going to add 3 cups of cornstarch into the bowl. Going to mix food color and water into the measuring cup and then pour it into the bowl of cornstarch. Very little food color is required. Time for the water. Please note that for 3 cups of cornstarch, we need approximately 2 cups of water. If you think that is not sufficient, you can add more water slowly later and then mix it with your hands. After you finish mixing it, check if it's ready by punching it. I think mine is ready because I punched it and it's hard. Applying pressure to the mixture increases its viscosity, that is thickness. A quick tap on the surface of the oobleck will make it feel hard. Did you observe that there is nothing stuck to my hand? That means our oobleck is acting as solid substance. Now slowly dip your finger into the substance and see what happens. Your finger slides in very easily through the mixture. This means our oobleck is acting as liquid substance. This video. Please like, share and subscribe for